Let's answer part A. So here we determine a function that models the population t years after the year 2000. So we can use a general population model, that is P of t, and this equals P naught e raised to the power of kt. This P naught is the population after t years, and this P naught represents the population at the beginning. In this case, it is the population in year 2000. So this is the population in year 2000, and K is the annual growth rate. This represents growth rate, annual growth rate, and T is the time in years. So let's plug in the information that we have now. So I'm going to put P of T. This equals P naught is 7,800. This is the population in the beginning, or when T equal to 0, which corresponds to the year 2000. So we utilize P naught as 7,800, and then e raised to the power of k. K is annual growth rate. It is given as 8%, and this has to be in decimals. So we convert this to decimals. So I write 8 over 1000, and this equals 0.08. So we determine the k as zero point zero 0.08 in decimals, which we plug it into this model. So therefore it becomes e raised to the power of zero point zero 0.08 times we put the t as it is. So this is the model, that is p of t equals 7800 times e raised to the power of 0.08t is the population model. Let's answer part B. So here we have to determine the population in the year 2008. In year 2008. So for this, we can use the population model that we found in part A. So it's basically t equal to 8 years, because if 2000 is represented by t equal to 0. 2008 is represented as t equal to 8 years. So we have to plug in t equal to 8 into this model and determine the population in the year 2000. So therefore we can plug in t equal to 8. So it becomes p of 8, and this equals 7800 e raised to the power of zero point zero 0.08 times t is 8, and so this becomes 7800 e raised to the power of zero point zero 0.08 times 8, and this equals 0.64. So we now put this expression into the calculator to determine its value, and when we do that, approximately we get 14,792.5. This is in decimals. So let's convert this to integers. So we say that 14,000 is equals 14,793, and this is the population of the year in 2008.